Hello everyone. Today I will go over the trades I made, also what opportunities I missed out on and why, and finally, what is my game plan to fix it. Let's now look at the chart. This is a daily chart, and as the reason that I'm actually going to daily charts is because I want to know if the price action seems to be in a range kind of pattern or it's kind of trend. As I can see in here, it seems to be a trend. So when usually is in a range kind of configuration, the next day I do not get involved as far as buying contracts and all that. And if I do, I'm going to be very careful. But now let's take a look at the pre-market. Let's see what happens there. This is a 5-minute chart, and as we can see, it's going down. The trend is going down, but it's not very sharp. And toward the opening, as I can see, is in a range kind of pattern. But we're gonna wait and see what happens during the opening. Here's my first trade. Actually, I did that at 9:52.37. Let's go there. Right here. The reason I bought it in here, a call, because the fact that we can see the price action. This is 5 minutes, this is 2, and this is 1 minute chart. We can see that the price action is above the VWAP and also 9 and 20 SMA. So that looks good in here, and also 2 minutes showing that it seems to be, when we look at the 2 minute, it seems to be a flag like breaking out. So I thought it's a good place to buy. All three are showing that going up, the trend is up. That's why I bought it. And I sold it at 9:53.34. Let's go there. Here I sold it. And the price I sold it was $399.96. The price of the SPY went in my favor for 22 cents. So that was positive. It was a good trade, and that's was the time that I got out. Let's go and see if I let it go a little bit longer, what would have happened. Here shows that it would have gone to actually 399.92. I sold at 399.96. So I think I sold it in the right time for me. That was good, and I'm happy with that. This is my second trade and last trade that I did today. I bought it at 10:56.21. Let's go there. Right here. The reason I bought it was the trend is still going up, as we can see in the 5 and 2 and 1 minute charts. What I noticed that in here, the candles are, as we can see, especially in 5 minutes, they're becoming more solid kind of candles. And because before that it was, big wicks and all that, and now it's solid. So I felt okay to enter in here. And also I'm seeing that this is this morning's high, so I was thinking maybe it's going to get very close to here. So I took the trade over here, and we still see that 9 and 20 and VWAP are underneath the price action. So I decided to go with it. I got into it at 10:56.21, and I exited at 10:57.43. Let's go there. Yeah, I exited here and it was good. It was a positive trade for me. SPY moved about 15 cents going up. That was a good thing. By the way, as you can see, this channel here, the green channel you see in here, usually I put it where I think I should be buying it, especially in this case, this is a call. I get close, I buy close to this, buy a contract. And then the bottom line is it's the time that I exit if it goes against me. This is the distance between here and here is my risk tolerance. I usually try to get out. That was a green trade for me. Here is the place that I think there was a good opportunity that I missed today. Even though the 5 minute chart is showing today in general is in a range kind of pattern, and usually I don't do that much trading, but I thought this was a good opportunity in here. 2 minutes was showing me. As you can see, the trend was going up, and we had this big candle over here to the left. So this acts like a shield and usually goes up when I see something like that. And as we can see, I would have bought it somewhere, around here, this price over here. Let's take a look, see if it would have been a good deal or not. Yeah, as we can see, it would have been really good place to buy it, which I missed on it. And there is a reason for it. I was not totally focused. We're going to look into that just shortly and see what I can do to fix that. My today's experience is exactly the same as yesterday's experience. The lack of focus. I wasn't 100% focused at the time that I should have bought that opportunity that I had. I have to keep in mind, I must have my finger on the buy button ready to press couple minutes prior to my target price in order to not to miss this kind of situations. I did exactly the same thing yesterday, and this was the first repetition. I hope it doesn't go to the second or third repetition. Today was a green day for me. I had two trades, both were green. It was a good Tuesday. What do you think about my trading? Would you do things differently? Please leave me a comment. Thank you so much.